What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another video. Before I get started, make sure you guys go watch my previous videos, the fashion show videos that I posted, y'all. I know they're like really long. If I had put them together, it would have been like an hour long, so I split them so you could watch it separately. But yeah, make sure you guys go check that out. Also, check out my older videos that you haven't seen, y'all. My birthday vlog too. I always leave it in the cards and in the end of the video. Make sure you guys go and check them out. I also posted on my second channel, y'all. Life with Sanaya, that's what it's called. I will leave the link to the second channel in the end of the cards, and it's also in the description box as well. So yeah, make sure you guys go and check that out. But anyways, y'all, I finally got the new E.L.F setting spray. This is the Prime Grip Dewy setting spray. I do have the primer as well, which is right here. I'm gonna try them together. I hope I do like this, because the very first time I tried E.L.F setting spray, it was like one of the older ones. It was like an all black bottle. I didn't really like it as much, so hopefully I like this. I do like the grip primer though, because it is very, very, very thick, as you can see, and it does hold your makeup. So let me quickly put this on. Alright, so it is on there. It's very sticky. I don't use this as much, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using it because I want to see how it works well with the spray. So yeah, I think I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay foundation with this, because I think the first time I've used that, I've used it with the Fenty Beauty one, and I don't think it's good to use it with the Fenty Beauty one because that one's already like a matte foundation as it is. So I'm gonna see with this. Oh, this is not my shade right now, fortunately, but I'm gonna add some concealer, make it work, and some contour, so you know. Yeah, I already put concealer on my eyes for the makeup look I'm going to do today. I'm decided to do a makeup video for y'all because I feel like I should put more of these out here because you guys all like these types of videos. So yeah. Oh yeah, the brush I'm using is from Skinny Dip. So yeah, I feel like this works better with it. Well, y'all let me know what foundation you think works better with the E.L.F Prime Grip. So okay, I'm looking orange right now, but it's okay. Trying to see my concealer that I use is over there. I'm gonna try to use the Fenty Beauty concealer to lighten my face up a little bit. I don't want this video to be too long either, so just trying to balance it out. Helped a little bit. Right there. I'm gonna put setting powder, like I said, because I haven't put setting powder in like a hot minute. So what else? Yeah. Alright, so for contour or bronzer, I'm gonna use my Art Revolution Donut Little palette. It's like the shade Cinnamon. This color, okay. So this one, you usually gotta use a big brush for this, but I've lost my contour brush, so I need to get another one. So this is what I have to do for now. And I feel like using a big brush as contour works really, really nice on the skin. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. Yeah, I'm not gonna put up here that much because I do want the hair to like blend in right there. So that's that. Now for blush. Well, should I do blush? I think I'm gonna just do blush now. Get over it. I'm gonna use my Senpai palette. This is from YVA Cosmetics. This is a anime cosmetic brand from TikTok shop. This brand is really, really good, you guys. These super pigmented. I highly recommend getting this palette, you guys. It's so good. And she also has a website if you don't want to shop with TikTok. She has a website too, yvaexpressions.com. But yeah, this is a $14 palette. Really nice. Okay, so with this one, I'm actually gonna go in with a brush. I never normally use a brush when it comes to like cream blushes, but I just want to see how it would come out. If I don't like it, I'm gonna use a beauty blender. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this shade. I forgot how pigmented this is. Okay, I'm just gonna see how it works with this one. Clean that off. Yeah, see, I don't really feel like it's blending how it's supposed to blend. Put too much again. Put too much again. But I mean, it blended it, but not how I like it. Yeah. I think we're gonna skip on using the brush for that. Let me try to wipe this with the beauty blender. But then again, with the beauty blender, I feel like it's taking off my makeup. I think my beauty blender is just too wet right now. Just gonna keep trying with the brush. Yes, yeah, I'm talking about. It's really pigmented. So definitely have to go light-handed with this. Okay, I did kind of went a little bit overboard on this side, but it's okay. But y'all just see how pigmented. This just shows that this is a really good palette. If y'all don't have it, go get it, sis. Okay, love chit chat. Eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use my Glam Light Strawberry Shortcake palette. I haven't used this in a very long time, so try this out. I'm not sure what look I'm gonna go for today. Okay, I'm using my NYX brush, so it has like a double thing. Okay, let's see here. I definitely want to use this pink right here, but I'm gonna start with that pink actually, and just work my way through to see what I can pretty much do here. I guess a really pretty, I don't even know what you call it, like a reddish pink, reddish white pink color. But it's very pretty, very pretty. That blended out nicely. Let's blend it and bit. Okay. And then I think I'm just gonna go in with the plum color for the outer corner. I'm so tempted to use the greens in this palette because the greens are absolutely just stunning. But I am just gonna do like a pinky plum type of look today. A little more spring-esque, you know? Yes, on that out. Alright, yeah, so I did that. I don't know what was going on with the pinks in the Glam Night palette. But yeah, when I was putting the pinks on, it's like almost like it was melting off my eyes for some reason. I don't know what was going on with that. So I used the BS Cosmetics Cotton Candy palette from the Sweet Shop collection. Yeah, remember that? I used a pink in here and it kind of saved it, but it's still like melting almost. Like, I don't know why is it doing that. That never happens before, but I did put the green. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I was so tempted to use it, and now it just looks a bit crazy with the green just being in the corner like that. But it's okay. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on real quick. I'm gonna put the NYX Epic Ink Liner, if this even has anymore. I don't even know if this has anymore. And then we're just gonna try. Oh yeah, I don't think this have anymore. And I totally forgot to put setting powder. I just realized, but it's fine. Cause I'm trying to hurry up because I feel like it's just melting off for some reason. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, I did take off the lash extensions because they were making my eyelashes itch really bad. And well, my eye in general itch. It was making my eyes swell up too, and I couldn't take it anymore. So I'm just like, you know what? Let me just take this all off. I can't. But yeah, I did get them done at the nail salon. So you get what you pay for, right? If I had went to like a professional, they would have put the lashes on individually on your eyes, but I just wanted something quick and easy, and I didn't want to pay that much either, so that's why I went that route. But yeah, it sucked, and it was hard to remove too. It took me like a couple hours to remove it, but I didn't lose a lot of my own lashes, thankfully. So yeah. Alright, so for lips today, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Chocolate Nudes, the cocoa one, and I'm going to be using the NYX Fat Oil. This is the shade Follow Back. So I'm going to be using the brown, like almost like a lip liner, and then kind of put that on top. So I'm not gonna put too much of the brown, just enough, and then so just like that, a little bit much. This would be so much better if it was like a lip liner. Excuse the noise, y'all. If y'all hear any noise, it's literally coming from outside. I'm like literally in front of my window. I don't know, I thought it was gonna come out a bit better than this, I'm not gonna lie. But we came out as we could, honestly. But anyways, let's finally try this out. If I could get this open. You know, it sucks having nails. Sometimes, like, I love them, but it just be hard to open stuff. Ow. Well, I could just open it like that. Yeah, I got this one from the TikTok shop. Got it from the TikTok shop, so It's been a minute since I put setting spray on my face. Let's see. Okay. Slide her out. But it spreads on your face like it's very light. It's not like thick or anything. But I'm just gonna wait for it to dry down and just see how it is. So okay, so what I can say is with this, y'all, it feels very lightweight. Like you don't even feel this on your face whatsoever. Like I'm touching right here, you don't feel it. Doesn't feel sticky or nothing. Pretty good actually. I think E.L.F actually finally came out with a setting spray that I actually liked. So yeah, it's not bad at all. Very nice. So and yeah, I also have this one here that I still never used yet, the one size one, the mini one. Apparently this is waterproof. I don't know. I would probably test this out like maybe in the summertime, going to the pool and stuff. But if I do end up putting like a light makeup on, I don't really wear makeup anymore to the pool like that. If I do put some light makeup on, might just test it out just to see if it's actually waterproof and if it's actually really good. But this one, definitely recommend getting this. Definitely trying it. It's only $10, I believe. So yeah, so get these two together if you don't have this one, because this one is very combo, and I don't even feel this on my face either anymore. Like once you put the foundation and all the other stuff on your face, you don't feel this no more either. So yeah, definitely give this a try, you guys. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment down below, check out all my other previous videos as well, comment, share them, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye. Major part of my life. Hey boy, I wanna be your wife, 'cause you're a major part